right, guys, I just left the nail place. I am trying to get to Starbucks to get this medicine ball thing that my sister said, my nurse sister said I need to get, because me and my husband both came back under the weather. I don't think it's COVID. I'm rebuking COVID, and don't nobody put COVID, Delta, Omarion, or nothing else on me, because I ain't claiming that. I think it's coming from, because we didn't start feeling the head congestion until we got back here Monday night. Our flight was canceled. We had to do another flight. We had a delay. We got back here Monday night. I was fine Monday night, but when we woke up Tuesday morning was the problem. Tuesday morning was the problem. I was gonna go through the drive-thru, but Starbucks, see, Starbucks sucks. Even though they drive-thru go pretty fast, I can't stand these long lines like this. It's freaking aggravating, yo. And I didn't want to get out the car, but god dog. I'll be back. All right, so Starbucks had none of the ingredients they needed to have to make me this medicine bomb, ball, whatever thing that I've never had before. So that just overly frustrated me. So I'm out of here. I'm not even going to try anymore. I don't know what's going on with this world today, but you out of this, you out of that. You ain't got this, you ain't got that. I'm just tired. Like, went to Chipotle. They don't have cheese. They don't have chips. They don't have sound. I'm just over it. Like, I need to just stay home, eat from home for a while, and just let this world do what it need to do to get how it need to get. Because this is aggravating to me. It's just aggravating to me. But anyway, so I guess I'm not going to try that. Like I was saying, we both woke up kind of congested Tuesday. I didn't go to work Tuesday. I didn't want to get anybody sick. I stayed home Tuesday and pretty much doctored on myself. And he doctored on himself. We can taste, we can smell, we can whatever. It's just the head and the nose and the throat. So off that. This is my nail video. I guess I'm just having a horrible week altogether because I absolutely hate these nails. She didn't do anything I asked her to do. I wanted them all French, and she said she doesn't really like to do glitter in all French, which I didn't ask her what she liked to do. I told her what I wanted. So the two blue ones are French. These were supposed to be really nice New Year's Day nails, but whatever. I don't like them. I'm going to go home and probably do some stickers, some stones, some something, and I probably still won't like them. So yeah, so I don't like them at all. The other nail girl has not come back yet. The other girl has, I don't even know if she's gonna come back, because she was supposed to be back, I think, November, December. She's been gone, what, 5-6 months, y'all? So maybe she'll come back in January. What was her name? Jasmine? I done about darn on forgot her name. She been gone so long. Yasmin, whatever, has not returned yet. I wasn't even really gonna go back to her once she returned, but I might. She nipped me. She did cut me. This is her second time nipping me. Just moving too fast, doing too much. Like I said, she's the owner, so she's handling the appointments, the people that walk in the door, answering the phone, and other stuff like that. And normally she's pretty good. I felt like today she was very distracted. I know they're closed Saturday for New Year's, so today's Thursday. It's the Thursday before New Year's Eve. It's the 30th. And I know they're closed Saturday, and maybe she feels whatever, but I wasn't feeling it today at all from her. No, I didn't go in there totally sick. I'll tell y'all that right now. I had on 2 masks. Like I said, I don't have all of the symptoms of COVID or anything like that. So before anybody says anything, no, I didn't go out sick to get anybody sick. Okay? I feel a lot better than I did on Tuesday. A lot better. She has the barrier up. So I stayed in my car until it was my time to get my nails done. Washed my hands and everything before I went in. I had doubled up on my thick mask, doubled up on them. Wasn't around anybody. She had the bars up. They have all their desks moved to 6 feet apart in case anybody's wondering. And when I was done, I left. So that's that. And truth be told, I mean, honestly, I feel like we don't even know who's sick and who's not sick. Like, y'all going to the mall, y'all going to Publix, you going to Walmart, you going to pump gas. You really don't know who's out here sick and who's not sick. It's a chance that you take. You know what I'm saying? So I know that she does me before the salon opens. She does me at 9 in the morning. The shop does not open till 9:30. Most people get there 9:45, 10 o'clock. So about the time that people would be rolling in, I knew she would about be ready to polish me and get me out of there. But had I been like really down and sick and achy and just felt like I had something like that, I would have changed my appointment. I would have not went. I'm not that type of person. But like I said, I feel a lot better than I did Monday and Tuesday. A lot better. And I'm even on my way to clean the office. We're doing some cleaning in the office at work today, some cleaning for the new year, some boxing up, some end of the year stuff. I am going to put my mask on when I get to the office just as a precaution for everybody. But I definitely feel a whole lot better. I was just going to try that medicine ball because my sister wanted me to try it just to get my immune system back up. I really feel like it's just coming from 29 degrees, 38 degrees to back. It's 85 freaking degrees here in South Florida. 85 degrees. Like, I feel like it's just a shift in the atmosphere. But the nails are horrible. Not horrible. I got to do something to them. They're not horrible, but I don't like them at all. And I need to enjoy. You understand? I need to enjoy my nails. I don't like them at all. At all. So I'm going to do something to them. I don't know what I'm going to do to them. And then I will come back and show y'all what I did. I will come back and show y'all what I did. But I'm going to do something. I think I have some stickers. The reason I chose this teal and silver is because I think 2 of y'all asked me about doing teal, silver, and black. And Leah was telling me something about doing teal, silver, and black. So that's why I chose that. Not only that, I think that some of the stickers that I have, I think they're teal. The New Year stickers. I think that they're teal. So I already had in my head what I was going to do. But I expected them to look way better than this. I expected them to look way better than this. So I don't know about y'all, but when I use the ATM, I have wipes. And I usually wipe it down. But even if I don't wipe it down, I do what I need to do. And then I sanitize my hands. I was sanitizing my hands first before I touched the screen. But then I noticed one time that when I sanitized my hands first, I couldn't touch the screen. It wasn't picking up, like, I guess the wetness or the sanitizer wasn't allowing me to push what I needed to push on this touch screen. So I learned that I have to sanitize afterwards. So what I do is I do what I need to do, but I don't touch anything else in my car until I sanitize my hands. So I'm putting money in here. And then once it gives me my card back, I'm going to get my card and I'm going to sanitize my hands and my card before I start driving. Come on, stupid thing. Okay, so I have my card. Drop that in my lap. My sanitizer is right here in the door. I keep my sanitizer right in the door. Sanitize my card. and I'm good to go before I touch anything else. So that's normally what I do. Sometimes I will sanitize the machine, but like I said, when I've done that a couple of times, then the machine was too wet. Like the film on the machine wouldn't, I couldn't push what I needed to push on the machine. So I'm like, okay, I don't need to do that first, because then I can't do what I need to do. But yeah, this nail video turned into everything else because I don't like them. So don't and don't. So when I get off work today, I will be home with stones, stickers, and something, and I'll be back. Okay, so I did come home. I could not wait to leave work today to do something to these nails. I did use the nail stickers that I bought off Amazon. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a snowman. There's Happy New Year. Both of them say Happy New Year with the wreath. There's bunnies. The New Year stickers were mainly snowmen, bunnies, and Happy New Year. There's some, y'all can't really see it, but like some frosted trees. I put it on both nails. There it is, Happy New Year, some frosted trees, some penguins. You see the penguins there. There's the penguins. I put some stones all over it. I was just trying to make this so much better than what it was. I was definitely not happy, not satisfied with these nails at all. I almost didn't even want to do a nail video. Like, I've never been so disgusted. It could have been because I just wasn't in a good mood as well. But when I go back, I'm hoping that I get a better vibe from her and can get what I want, especially since I don't know if the other girl is coming back.